Hickory Hardware P3003-RI-25B Refined Rustic Collection Knob in Depth Reviews. This product has 4.7 stars based on 2,437 ratings and 387 reviews. 93% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 4% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said great size. 12 inches for those larger cabinets and drawers. Love this cabinet/drawer pull in 12-inch size. Stunning and unique. Hickory hardware is beautifully made and hefty weighted handles look rustic and beautiful. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Wrong color, same product number. I ordered the same product number as I had bought in the store to match the ones we already have. These came with a different rusty color to them. I'm not sure I'll even be able to use them. Nice product but wrong patina. That's it.